Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. The natural way for liver detox. With the so many pollutants and toxins in the world today, it is but normal for such hazardous materials to make their way into our bodies. And when this happens, our bodies have a way of getting rid of these toxins as well. And if you're one of those people who are into the health craze nowadays, then you surely must have heard about the natural liver detox process at one time or another. The natural liver detox process is all about the liver's inherent role to act as a filtering system for the body. The liver is the primary organ that filters toxins and contaminates out of the body system by flushing them out as thoroughly as possible. The liver does this by means of natural stimulants. There are also certain ways and means for the body to detoxify itself. But the natural liver detox process is, by far, the most recommended among dieticians and doctors as well. If you're going to stick with all natural liver detox, there are certain things you can do to aid your liver during the whole process. Firstly, you can drink herbal teas, as well as the recommended 8 glasses of water daily. But you have to match this with fasting for about 24 up to 48 hours. With the frequent liquid intake, your liver will be prodded to flush out the toxins over time. Another natural liver detox process that you can try is by having a diet comprised of just herbal supplements and vegetables. For the best results, you should stick to this diet for about 2 to 3 weeks. This way, your body will only have chemicals that are the side products of only vegetables and herbal supplements. The chemicals that come from artificial processes are flushed out over time as well. Whatever method works best for you, you should remember to temper the natural liver detox process with lots and lots of fluids. Water is the #1 aid for the natural liver detox process. Herbal tea and juice are also recommended aids. And after the whole natural liver detox process, your body will undoubtedly feel lighter and so much cleaner than it had ever been. In fact, it would be just about enough to want to stick to the healthy living for years and years to come. Plus, the benefits of natural liver detox are so appealing that you just might want to change your diet for life. So, even if you think you are in great and healthy shape, you still might want to try out this natural liver detox process. For this is just about as clean as we can get. If you've liked the video, give it a thumb up, leave a comment and share with your friends. We thank you so much for watching. For more nutrition, health and beauty tips, please subscribe to our channel.